Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the build of our house. Yes, just like always, things are progressing at a construction pace, which is the pace that it is. So anyways guys, it is Saturday today and we had, I was just out here today doing some cleanup and just some random things around the site. I'll show you what I was doing today. Electrician Chad, his name is Chad, but Electrician Chad. I accidentally called him Mike today, but Mike is not his name is Chad. So Electrician Chad was out here today and he was doing some work upstairs. No wire pulled today, but he got all the boxes and stuff ready that he could, and so that was awesome. That's how we got some progress today on that. The stuff that I did today, we got a garbage bin delivered on site. In our previous videos there was a massive pile of stuff right there. Loaded that all in the bin. That's how much garbage it is. About half the bin. So I was going to save all the wood, but anyways I didn't. I don't want to have to sort through it to burn in the fire pit. So anyways, that's first thing we did. Obviously we watered the trees because that's an ongoing thing. Built a ramp into the house, which is also positive because we don't have to climb up the ladder anymore. So this is much better and much safer. We got the hurricane clips, which are at the top there. Those are installed. So I had those back ones and then over to about the window to do. So I got those all finished. And of course our floor is still sitting there waiting for in-floor heating in the main part of the basement. But that got done. So I won't take you upstairs because really nothing's changed up there other than some boxes and stuff are rearranged and whatnot. So, but that is where we're at, guys. Just this upcoming week, it's going to be a very productive week out here. We've got exterior guys, my exterior guys starting to put the gold coat on the exterior starting Monday, which is great. Electrician Chad's going to be back here on Tuesday to start pulling wires upstairs, which is also great. And I think Kathy and Les are going to be out here to help with the electrical throughout the week as well too. And it should be a productive week out at the Vote Ranch, our property. And that's kind of the update for today. So I'm not going to bore you guys with anything more, but that is what we have accomplished, and I'm going to go home now, and I'm going to get some stuff done on planes for my other channel. So anyways, guys, thanks for tuning into the build. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the thumbs up when you're down there, and thanks for joining us. And we will have a productive week. I will update you guys throughout the week, and that's today. All right, guys, welcome back to our build. It is Monday today, so I think a couple days after I did the last update. And we had some stuff going on today, which is exciting. So I'll show you guys what happened today. So the south side of the house, the gold coat got completed. So that's all taken care of. So this is basically what I've been talking about as far as the whole system goes. So now we've got a monolithic or continuous air barrier on this entire elevation. So it also goes over the eaves tape, or that black peel and stick tape that we put around the windows. And so everything's tied in together now. There's going to be still a few touch-up areas, that exposed membrane kind of in between the attic there, that gets dealt with as well too. So, but those are all touch-up areas that will happen when the guys come back and actually start the stucco system. So basically the next steps here is we've got touch-ups and then foam, 2-inch foam gets glued to the wall, and that makes the entire system, and then the stucco system goes over top of the foam. So really, really cool to see that this is done on that side. So I misunderstood what they wanted, and I only ordered so much scaffold to cover this end. So we need scaffold to cover the entire west elevation as well too. So anyways, that will be ordered and we will continue with that It probably makes sense to get the slab done, get the windows installed, get that done before they come back and do the west side. So we've got a little bit of time for that. But probably one of the coolest things for interior progress is the in-floor heating lines. So this is awesome. So that got all done. This gives you some perspective on what we were doing down here. So right now we're standing in the gymnasium, the gym, like workout equipment gym. So though that's all done, and we've got the entire rest of this portion of the basements completed. As we've discussed, no in-floor heating in the sports court. And then as we walk through and look this direction, so the suite is all in-floor heating. Over there is all in-floor heating. Rest of the mechanical room, nothing's done in there. So this is essentially done now and ready for concrete. So now what happens is they basically come in and pour concrete on this. So then all these water lines and rebar are now inside the concrete. You heat the water lines and that heats the slab and makes the slab warm. Once you get that slab up to temperature with this spray foam installed, it holds that temperature really well, especially with the ICF walls as well too. There's no heat sink out the edge of the slab. So really excited for this. This is a pretty cool step. Next big step is going to be slab installation, which will be awesome. It's going to be a lot of concrete. And then if you look over here, that's the manifold for the system. The in and out lines, whatever's which, I'm not sure. But then you've got these manifolds that feed the in and the out. And right now, they've pressurized it. You can see there. So it's all pressurized, so they're able to test these lines and make sure that they're holding pressure. So it's pretty simple. You come back tomorrow, if it's still at the same pressure, holding pressure, you're good to go, ready to pour concrete. So anyways, that's the other big thing that got done today, which is, of course, awesome. So that is the progress for today. The exterior guys, my guys won't be back tomorrow because there's really not, they're busy, but there's not tons left for them to do here. And their stuff's not critical. And electrician Chad's starting tomorrow, which is great. Big thumbs up to that. So that's your update for Monday. We'll probably see you tomorrow for another update. Well, good morning, guys. It's Wednesday today. Yeah, Wednesday today. It's a little bit tough after a long weekend to figure out what day it is sometimes. So anyways, big day yesterday, big day today out at the house build. Headed out there now. Basically, we've got yesterday, I believe our power pole went in. The guys called me when they were on site. I think our HVAC started yesterday or today, so the heating. And concrete guys are out there at 7:23 in the morning. And concrete guys are out there apparently at 7 o'clock, and they're starting pouring the basement slab this morning. So let's go out there and take a look at progress. Still got to go to work today, so we won't be out there very long. We'll just take a quick look around at what's happening. All right, guys, well, stuff's happening. We got our power pole there, which is so cool to see. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. So, yeah, I know it's just a power pole, but it's one of those things that's like, boom, you're suddenly connected to the world. So, anyways, power pole's installed. And we got concrete trucks working away. So, there's a big pump over there. They dump the concrete into the pump goes into the basement. Good morning. Good, how are you guys? And there it is. So pretty cool stuff. I have a feeling they're going to be here for quite a while today. That's a lot of concrete to pump in there, I'm assuming. I'm not a concrete guy, so I don't really know. But yeah, they'll be pumping a lot of concrete in there. So that's basically today. We'll take a quick gander inside and see if the tin guys started. Well, based on all the stuff that's floating around here, I would say that the HVAC guys definitely started. So they got a lot of supplies kicking around in here, and they've started putting some stuff up in the ceiling, which is super cool. All right, guys, and just a couple other things is once that basement slab gets poured, we're going to take all the remaining doors that are sitting inside the garage, and those are going to get installed in the basement. So we've obviously been just waiting for the slab to get poured before we can do that. So that was one of those important steps that needed to happen for things to progress. And then there's a lot of steps that can happen after the basement slab gets done. So that's kind of what's happening. And then we'll check and see if we can do the garage slab. It's more about budget for us right now, and trying to make sure we get to that next step. But you know, if we can budget and we can get the garage slab poured, that would be a positive. If we have to wait, we have to wait. So anyways, guys, that's the progress for this morning. We'll see you guys later on. All right, guys, it is evening and we are back out here again. Let's see the progress they made. I got some phone calls throughout the day, and pretty awesome. Ceiling up there, HVAC guys, we're putting the heat runs to the TV room up there, which is great. Well, and there's a heck of a lot less stuff sitting at the front door, so we got heat runs all over the place. Look at that. Very cool. Hey? But really, the coolest thing we'll be able to see from up here. Oh, look at that. We have concrete. That is cool. And now it's very echoey. Yeah. What do you think? It's really echoey. Pretty nice, eh? Yeah. That looks awesome. Let's go downstairs and check it out. All right, guys. Well, obviously we can't walk in here. Oh, it's actually pretty stiff already. Pretty stiff. Probably could walk on it. But that is the concrete floor. That is super cool. Feels like it's so much taller right now, right? Wow. Oh, it's already stiff. Crazy, look at that. That changes the whole look of everything. The ceiling feels way shorter now. Because, you know, we used to be like 2 feet down, right? Yeah. Well, it looks really cool in here. This is pretty impressive. Yeah, really impressive in here. This is pretty neat. We just did the whole outro and forgot to push record on the camera. So that's it for this video, guys. Lots of amazing progress this past week, and it's been truly outstanding. We do have some video footage from Elastocam, the spray foam guys, when they had the videographer come out. So we'll roll that in like 10 seconds. But thanks, guys, for tuning in, and we will see you hopefully in the next update with some more cool things happening. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. I already said that. Let's roll that footage now.
Hello, folks. It's Luke with Elastocam. Super excited. We got a really cool project. What's really neat about this project is I am at the Vote House build, and I've known John for many, many years. He is doing a YouTube channel called The Lighter Side of RC, and we're doing a collaboration with him on that. But I also get to work with one of my clients, United Drywall. They're doing the insulation. They're going to be doing the drywall on this. So I get to work with a whole bunch of really, really professional people. If we look over on the left-hand side over here, I've got Matt with Top Gun Spray Foam. Also known him since he first came into the industry, and he is a phenomenal applicator. Morning folks, Luke with Elasticam here. All right, we are at the boat build and today is foam day.